Hey y'all, hey, it is B Kirkpatrick and I am back with another video. So today is day 2 of renovations at the Kirkpatrick household. So let's see if you hear that noise blowing in the background. That is the dehumidifiers, if you can hear me. So let's see what they ended up doing yesterday. 1 second. All right. As you can see, I'm stepping through the little, I'm gonna back up so you guys can see the little thing. We ended up tearing that one. Yesterday it got caught on his boot. So we ended up having to do another one. So I'm gonna step through here. You can hear that noise. The dehumidifier is going. You can see where they took up the flooring. All the wall right there. They're actually in the garage working now. Is the other dehumidifier. This leads to where my laundry room is. And we'll go around on the other side so you guys can see. Here's up close. Looks like somebody's up there working. They're taking the garage down, so you can see all of that. Wiring and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go around on the other side so you guys can see. All right, you guys, we're at the door where my laundry room is. So let's go through this way and see what all they did here. You can see. I'm not going to turn the light on because they may have it off or working. And here's some more dehumidifiers here. And like I said, sorry about that. There is the office area that we came through the last time. So as you can see here, they're all working up above my garage and all that. So let's see if we can get in the garage and see what they've done in there. Hold on. So here's what they have done in the garage. It looks a mess so far. Like, you see all the stuff moved. I'm gonna come out and get another picture so you guys can see all of that over the door. When I say it was a mess, it was a mess. I'm gonna cut. Let's see, I think he's gonna cut the wall, guys. Let's see if I can get it. I'm gonna go back in with a little dust. As you can see, there's drywall cutting. Gonna get all that out. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Whoop. I'm going back. Say hi, Daniel and Lily. There's Daniel and Lily. Look at the two spoiled riding too.
Hey.
So, yeah, you guys. Let's see. Is the camera focusing? Hold on. You're going to see me cleaning off. So, yeah. That's some of the inside of the wall that came down that they're still fixing on. So they're still getting it in. So I commend the plumbers and the construction workers, restoration workers right now. They're really, really busy, but they're working hard, getting it done. So, yeah, so this is what we are currently going through here in the state of Texas. This is the stage 2 where, you know, you get have to redo things because, you know, you either had water damage, pipe burst, or something to that nature. I'm just grateful that it burst over the garage and, you know, not inside the house like some other people are having to deal with, and, you know, having complete total loss as far as their, you know, homes and stuff, everyday living and all that good stuff. So I just wanted to come and give you guys a brief update. We are doing really, really good during the storm. Yes, we were out power, and of course we were out without water as well. But thankfully I do have gas here, and so we were able to use the stove as well as the gas fireplace to stay warm. So we were grateful for that, as well as, you know, being an everyday prepper, we had the necessities and didn't need to go out for anything. Even right now, you know, there's still shortages of water and stuff like that. But, you know, I'm glad that that is one of the main things that I continue to prep every day. So we have plenty of that, and, you know, enough to survive on until things get better and we start seeing shipments, you know, back in the stores, and the stores start filling up. So, like I said, I wanted to come and give you guys a brief update of how we were doing here in Texas from the snowstorm. And like I said, the last thing you guys saw, we were out playing in the snow, and that was, you know, right before everything hit. So, but that is where we are right now, and they are getting it done. So far, it's been a great experience in spite of, you know, I can't complain. You know, plumber came and capped off the pipe the next day. And after that, the next day, they were here ready to start to see what happened and started on the work. So, yeah, like I say, this is day 2. So we will see how things go, and we will bring you guys another update as well. Make sure that you like this video. Leave me a comment down below. If you were in Texas, I want to know how you guys are doing, if you had any damages, or if you're still without power or water or anything like that. Let me know. I want to know down in the comments. I may be able to point you into some resources that may be available to you where you are that may help as well. And so let me know. And then if you're not in the affected state that I'm in, just I know that you guys are praying for us down here in Texas, so leave me a comment down below. I like to know that information. And guess what? We're even praying for you guys wherever you are, because from what I'm understanding, the storm did travel to other states, and so it may be some other states that may be affected by this same ice storm, Uri. And at first I didn't even know the storm had a name, but yeah, so let me know, you guys. And like I said, I'm going to get out of here. Like, subscribe to the channel. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell, so that way every time I drop a new video, you will be notified and you'll get to be the first one to see that video. All right, you guys, I'm going to get out of here and go grab some lunch, and we will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.